How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I am short.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What is your nationality?
I'm American.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What does your mother do?
She is a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa.
Where does your friend live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go out on Saturdays.
Do you call your friends every day?
Not every day, but often.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big?
Yes, it is.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help at home.
Do your siblings study?
Yes, they go to school.
Do you have a cousin?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Is your family important to you?
Yes, very important.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, I take a shower before bed.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every weekend.
What time do you get up on weekends?
I get up at 8 a.m.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
What do you do on Sunday?
I relax and visit my family.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am.
Do you feel sick today?
No, I feel good.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, when I'm sick.
Do you take medicine?
Yes, when I need it.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep 8 hours.
Do you live in a city or village?
I live in a city.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is.
What is your favorite place?
I like the park.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go to the bank?
Yes, to take money.
How do you go to school or work?
I go by bus.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, I do.
Do you take the train?
No, not often.
Is the bus fast?
No, it is slow.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you cook?
Yes, very well.
Can you sing?
No, I can't.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you like going to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like working?
Yes, I like my job.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in an apartment.
How many rooms are in your home?
There are 4 rooms.
Is your home big or small?
It is small.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a garden?
No, I don't.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, every day.
Do you watch TV at home?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I love it.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do.
Is it cold today?
Yes, very cold.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.